Welcome to Henry's 2018 Halloween costume. This year I decided to be a video game and based our design on the Nintendo Switch. We used a Raspberry Pi to run the video game with a small LCD touch display as the screen. The game was written by me using the Snap programming platform. We chose Snap because we could adjust the size of the full screen on the Snap platform to the size of the LCD. It is a very simple game where you fly around and try to touch flying objects to get points. To control the game, you use the buttons on the costume. Up, down, left, and right. Works on either side. The buttons interface to the Pi using a Makey Makey, which changes the buttons to a keyboard signal that goes through USB to the Raspberry Pi. Our battery indicator lights, which you can see right here, are powered by an Arduino Nano. I wrote the program to control them myself on the basic Arduino IDE. The connections to all the lights were soldered by me. The background noise is powered by a shell script on the Pi that runs a Python file with Pygame that my dad and I wrote together. The speaker is the can-can variety and is shaped like, well, a can, and is connected to the Raspberry Pi by Bluetooth. This last feature is important as every costume needs a flashlight. I made a flashlight on my glove right here that uses conductive thread, wearable components, and snap circuits. To activate my flashlight, I simply touch my thumb right here to one of these two spots, and then it turns on. Let's take a look inside. This right here is the back of our costume. This right here is the Raspberry Pi, which is connected to the Makey Makey through this USB cable right here. This right here is the dongle for a wireless mouse, which is useful when you're turning it on. Otherwise, there isn't a use for it. Over here, this is the cord that goes to the power supply, which is actually going out through this hole right here, this exact wire. And over here, this is our Arduino Nano on its mounting board, connected to the 9-volt battery adapter. And our 9-volt battery is hiding down there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Over here is our WASD key, set Makey Makey, and it goes over to both of the sides with the buttons. And this wire here connects it to the Raspberry Pi over here. So this is our can-can, mighty little Bluetooth speaker. We already talked about it. And the Pi is powered by this 20,000 milliamp per hour power supply, which happens to be solar rechargeable. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please look at last year's video. Thank you.